Mediterranean Greek yogurt mango cake, a healthy and delicious snack or dessert cake recipe made with Greek yogurt and my homemade mango jam. This cake is so easy and so delicious and pretty healthy. A great light, moist and fluffy dessert cake for weekend dinner parties. Let's start with 4 large eggs cracked in a mixing bowl and 1 cup sugar. Beat them together until soft and foamy. Add a cup vegetable oil and 1 cup Greek yogurt. Now add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and zest 1 fresh orange and add to the mixture. Sift 2 cup flour and 1 tablespoon baking powder. Combine all to the mixture. Grab 2 9-inch round cake pan and pour cake batter equal amount in each pan. Shake and tap to make sure there is no bubble and gaps left behind. Bake them in preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Let our cake cool down completely. In meantime, let's make our cake filling. Add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar and 1 bag vanilla sugar to 1 cup Greek yogurt. If you don't have vanilla sugar handy, you can use vanilla extract. Flip 1 cooled cake and scoop up yogurt mix and spread evenly and smoothly. Now add some of the mango jam. If you miss my mango jam recipe, I will leave the link here in description of this video. It is very easy and healthy, only with 3 ingredients. Spread the jam evenly and smoothly and place the other cake on top. With your hand, push gently until all layers stick together with a little sugar dusting for finish. There it is! Our delightful, unique and healthy Mediterranean Greek yogurt mango cake is ready to enjoy. Enjoy and share this incredible recipe with your folks.